Hey guys, it's Teddy with HD Video 101. I'm here with my brand new Steadicam Merlin 2. I'm pretty excited to open it up. I've been having this thing in the closet for probably about 3 weeks now, and I've been wanting to do this unboxing video for you guys. So I haven't even had a chance to open it. It's been sitting there and I'm super excited to get it out. So let me go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. I ordered it from B&H Photo. It arrived pretty quickly. I plan on using this for a wedding that I have to shoot this weekend. But I do know that the Steadicam Merlin is supposed to be very difficult to stabilize, so I don't know what to expect. I'll do a video on my impressions and my first flying of the Steadicam Merlin. So this is what we have so far. B&H actually includes this case. I don't know if they still do. This was about 3 weeks ago again when I ordered it. I think this is it. This case actually came free with the Steadicam Merlin, which is supposed to allow you to carry the Merlin already rigged up or already set up. So we'll have a quick look at that. Very nice though. And then this is our Steadicam Merlin. Tiny little box. That's really what drew me to the Merlin 2, is I've used the glidecams before and I was terrible at it. Very hard to get balanced, but then also very heavy. The very awkward position of your wrist and your hand and your arm, unless of course you use a vest or something like that. But everything I've read on the reviews for Steadicam Merlin 2 was that the position of your hand allows you to hold it for a longer period of time, and that's pretty important for a wedding. The guys over at Still Motion use the Merlin, and a couple other pretty popular cinematographers use them, so I thought I'd give it a try. Here we are with the Steadicam Merlin 2. Let's go ahead and open that up. Now, obviously, for those who don't know why you would use this tool, Steadicams, the glide cams, all of those are meant to help you stabilize your footage. I shoot most of my stuff with a monopod, which is pretty steady with a DSLR. However, you do see some motion, some movement. Not to mention when you actually try to move the camera, you're going to see a lot of movement, shake, etc. So this will help alleviate that. It comes with a quick start guide. I also know that, without even reading this because of the research I've done, that there's a cookbook for each camera for the Steadicam Merlin. So you can actually look up your camera and then it'll tell you settings that have been used before that are ideal for your camera. So I'm excited to kind of take a look at that. There should be a DVD in here, from my understanding. Maybe it's all online now. But anyways, here's the case that actually comes with the Merlin. This is the case that you would use for once it's collapsed, right? So once you have it all kind of put together, put away, you would use this case. Again, this one that came with it because of B&H. This one would actually be used to, if I was at a wedding and I was running around shooting things and wanted to leave my Steadicam Merlin kind of in the proper settings so that I could just pull it out and use it. Supposedly you're supposed to be able to use this thing, so I don't know, we'll see, because I don't know how touchy these things are. Inside here, here's that DVD. So inside here there's supposed to be like a cookbook, they call it, that includes how to set it up. A bunch of nuts and bolts. Woo! And the Merlin. Looks like a plate of some type. This thing is sweet. Yeah, again, never used one of these before, never opened one of these before, don't know what exactly I'm going to do or how to do this. So this is just to kind of show you guys what you'll get when you order it. I'll do another video to show you how to set it up, excuse me, how to put it together, where to, how it works, all of that. But here are some weights to help balance your camera. But it's very, very well made. It feels like nice strong aluminum, nice and shiny. There are some concerns about scratches and whatnot after putting it away, but with both of these cases that come with it, I don't see how you can, you know, get so many scratches that people complain about. So that's it. So we'll see how this goes. I will keep you guys posted. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my blog, hdvideo101.com, for more on this Steadicam Merlin and also other pieces of gear. Thanks for watching.